Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the exact value of each expression, starting with log base 5 of 1 over 125. So writing this out right here, let's set this equal to some variable x, where x is going to be our final answer. And the relationship of the logarithm states that the base 5 to the power of whatever the log is equal to, x, is equal to the value that the logarithm takes on, 1 over 125. Now we just have to get these into a common base. So 5 to the x is equal to 125 is 5 cubed. So this is 1 over 5 cubed. And the last step here is that if you have 1 over 5 cubed, right, you have an exponent in the denominator, you can bring it to the numerator, so it's going to be 1 times, so we can just ignore the 1. 5 to the negative 3. When you move it into the numerator, you multiply the exponent by negative 1. And if you were to move it back down to the denominator, you'd also have to multiply it by negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 would bring it back to positive 3. Therefore here, we have 5 to the x is equal to 5 to the negative 3. Therefore, the exponents x and negative 3 are equal. Next, we have the natural log of 1 over e squared. The natural log is log base e of, doing a similar thing here, we bring this into the numerator and therefore have to multiply the exponent by negative 1. So this is log base e, since it's the natural log, of 1 over e squared is equal to e to the negative 2. And we'll set this equal to some y value, where y is going to be our answer. And just as before, we take the base, e, to the power of whatever the log is equal to our final value, which is the thing that the log takes on. E to the y is equal to e to the negative 2. Therefore, the exponents y equals negative 2. Therefore, log base 5 of 125 is negative 3, and the natural log of 1 over e squared is negative 2.